Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D model from scratch in SolidWorks. So if anyone of you is preparing for CSWA certification exam, which is certification for SolidWorks associate exam, this video is perfect for you. Before starting with the problem, I recommend you to have this PDF file with you so that you can practice variety of problems or solve mock papers at home. So you can get this PDF file on DS SolidWorks official website. I'll try to mention the link in the description so you can download it from there. So let's get started with section A, problem 2. So many of y'all find this problem most difficult to solve because of few dimensions and few extrusions. So let's see how we can create this and how to evaluate the mass of this model. Firstly, let's see what things we have to define. Unit system should be mmgs, which is already here. The other way to change your unit system is go to tools, go to options, document properties, units, and you can see that you can change your unit system from here as well. Next thing is decimal places is 2. So by default we have 2. So let's keep it the same. Part origin is arbitrary. That means I can start my sketch from any point. There is no specific location or position for the origin. Material type is iron. Material is ductile iron. So let's change the material. Edit material. So under iron category, you can find ductile iron. So there are two types of irons over here. So you can see that um, the density provided here is 7100 kg per meter cube. So here you can change it since it was an IPS and here we are using MMGS. So make sure you have the same unit system here as well. So you can see that the mass density is matching with the one given in the PDF. So now you can apply and close. They've provided a hint this part can be built using only three features and the mass value or the mass solution is given here. So we have to evaluate the same mass as given. So let's start sketching. Now you can see that in the front plane, they have provided this view and this will be the left hand side view. Okay, and this is the isometric view and this is the section view. Okay, so let's select front plane, sketch. Let's draw a rough sketch. Let's give dimensions. So this is 78 mm. This is 36. The gap between these two is 5 mm. This is 15 mm. This is 16 mm. This is 24. The angle between these two is 65. Okay, what else is remaining? If you can see from this view, the total height is 58. This is 18. This is 16. This should be parallel, and this should be collinear. So now you can see that your sketch is fully defined. Just see whether all dimensions have been provided or not. But since our sketch is fully defined, we are now ready to extrude this part. Go to boss extrude and see that the total extrusion of this part is 28 mm. So I'll select the opposite direction. It's up to you. There is no need, since they haven't specified anything, they haven't specified the origin, the location of origin. Okay. Again, this color is because of ductile iron. Now let's start sketching on this face. Now you have to create. Now you can see that this extrusion is not from this edge. You have a gap over here. So we are going to create that only. Okay, since they have mentioned that this will be the midpoint. Also, the angle between this and this is 65. Just delete this once. Okay. Now our sketch is not completed. We need to close these contours and we need to use extruded cut feature. And you can see 28 minus 18 is 10. So we need to keep this direction for the cut and mention 10 here. Okay, perfect. So our sketch is not yet completed. You can see that we need to extrude two circles over here. Select this face and start sketching. This will be 7.5. Let's give relations to these two circles so they should be equal. So now there's no need to give dimensions to the other circle. So I'm sorry, it's 6, and the distance from here to here is 7.5. This and this should be vertical. The distance from this edge to this edge should be 7. Similarly, This should be also 7. Now you can see that my sketch is fully defined. I will go to features, boss extrude and extrude it by 6 mm. Check the direction, yes. This is our desired direction. Let's select OK. Now you can see that our sketch is fully completed and fully defined. So go to front plane, select the normal view, and now you can see that this view is matching with this view. Also, if you go to the right plane and choose a normal view, again choose the normal view, this view will open. Now you can see that this is same as shown. Now let's go to evaluate and go to mass properties 497.28, 497.60 grams. So our answer should lie within 1%. So yes, our answer is matching and this problem is solved. So if you want to show isometric view, you can go here, select isometric. So yes, our problem is solved. For more such videos, keep following. Thank you so much.